Hello darlings, welcome back to House of Meenah, and if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if you subscribe, thank you for doing that. Today we are going to DIY this twisted turban. Just look at it on my head. So before we get started, I'll be showing how to wear it. The first thing you're going to be putting on your inner turban cap. I have this video with me how to make your inner turban cap, and this is my twisted cap. Just look at it. That is the back and that is the front. That is the back and the front. You wear your inner turban first. Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. Then you pull it back. Wow, that is a twisted turban. This is just one twisted turban. We're still going to do DIY and how to make half twisted turban and two twisted turban. Just look at this. This is beautiful. Look at it. So let's DIY. Let's get started. This is the material that we need for this project. I was thinking of doing two project turban, but I decided to do one for those that are beginners, so that next time we're going to do two twisted. So let's start with one twisted first. That is our inner cap, our tape rule, and this is my needle and thread, my scissors. That is my scissors. So let's get started. So this pieces is cut out. I've already cut this pieces out. This is twisted part. I've already cut it out. Then so after you sew it, you are going to pull it out. So our measurement for this tutorial is going to be 7 inches by 40 inches. 7 inches by 40 inches. You can use 8 inches by 40 inches. Just depend on how you want it to be very wide. 7 inches by 40 inches. So that is my fiber. I'm putting my fiber inside. If you make use of your foam, it's going to be too big. You can make use of your foam if you like foam, but I love working with fiber. Then you pull in your fiber inside. Make sure your fiber and your fabric are the same length. The material you cut and the fiber are the same length. I'm going to pull this one out. You take your time to pull it out. Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. See what I'm doing. Just see what I'm doing is very easy. You take your time when you're pulling your fiber. Just see what I'm doing. So I'm done with this. Just look at this. Don't forget the measurement is 7 inches or 8 inches by 40 inches. Just what I'm doing. You place the two together. You place it on each other. Just see what I'm doing. Then you use the needle and thread to sew it up and down. You can use the sewing machine. If you have a sewing machine, you can use a sewing machine. This is it. You're going to sew it in and out. You sew it. Make sure you sew it very tight. Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. You sew it tight. Still very tight. Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. If you have any question, don't forget to send me direct message to my WhatsApp. That's my WhatsApp number. Then you cut that part out. Just see what I'm doing. So I'm done with this, and the next thing I'll be doing now is I'm going to start the twisting. just look for someone to hold it for you. Just see what I'm doing. I want to show you once. Then you twist. Just see, you twist. See the way my hand is going. You twist. You roll the two together. Just that's the way you're going to twist. And make sure when you are twisting, your twisting is very tight. If your twisting is not tight, it's going to lose back, and it will not be nice if your turban lose back on client's head. Just what I'm doing. You twist, you twist, you keep twisting. That is it. That is it. That's what I'm doing. So the next thing I'll be doing now, I'm going to cover the back. Don't forget I told you our measurement is 40 inches. After the twisting, our measurement is going to reduce. It's going to reduce. So it's not time for us to tie the back. If you are doing, so this is the back part. I'm going to close the parts together. I'll use my needle and thread to sew it together. The best thing for you is to use a needle and thread. You sew it tight. You make sure the back is very tight, so you're not going to lose back. You sew it very tight, just the way I'm doing it. You sew it very tight. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is just look at the back. I'm going to cut the excess part. I'm going to cut it out, and I'm going to leave just one out. I've already cut it out. The remaining one I'm going to use to cover the back. Just what I'm doing. I'm just going to use to cover the back. You cover it so neatly. Make sure it. So just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. Just see what I'm doing. I'm going to use it to cover the back. Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. You cover the back and you sew it. You're going to cover that part and you sew it with a needle and thread. Just see what I'm doing. This is very easy. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that is the final look, darlings. You can wear this at just like your headband. So I'll be attaching this to my turban, to my inner turban cap. Just see what I'm doing. So the back of the twisted is going to face the back of the turban cap. The back of the twisted is going to face the back of the turban part. And what you're going to be doing now, you're going to use a needle and thread to sew that part. You use your needle and thread to sew that part. Just see what I'm doing. Just look what I'm doing. So I'm done with it. So this is the final look, guys. That is the final look, guys. If you want to make it too, just that's the final look, guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you next time on my next video. I love you, darlings. Mwah. Bye and happy sewing. Bye.